Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Microsoft Photos.exe high RAM usage in Windows 11. First method is stop Photos process. Second method is check always show icons never thumbnails. Third method is background app permissions. Fourth method is reset and repair Photos app. Fifth method is uninstall any add-ons installed on Photos app. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.